Welcome back to Island Life Live. Advocating for kupuna at all levels of government, AARP Hawaii is a wise friend and fierce defender focusing on the priorities of our Hawaii seniors. Now back with us is our friend Kelly Lopez, AARP Hawaii State Director, the boss lady over there. Aloha, Kelly. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
I know it's going to be a busy legislative session. Of course, it just opened last week. So what are some of the top priorities for AARP Hawaii for our kupuna?
So for AARP, we're working hard fighting for kupuna both in the state legislature but also Congress.
Yes.
And the important things for us is how to make sure these decision makers understand the need to take care of caregivers, right?
Yeah.
So for us, the priorities that we're going to be pushing in this state legislative session is paid family leave.
Ooh, that's nice.
Wow.
And a tax credit for caregivers. The reason that's important is, as you know, for many people, they don't have the ability to actually take off from work to take care of a loved one. Either take off from work or some have to actually quit their jobs, right? And so we're not only just talking about for kupuna, which of course who we advocate for, but also the fact that many family members, you have a baby, you want to be able to stay with the bond with your child, or they get sick. My son gets 3 PTO days a year.
Wow.
3 days that he can take off.
That's
You know, so not everybody gets 2 weeks sick, 2 weeks vacation, plus paid family leave.
Right, so this is super important. I like that. And a lot of times, I mean, the caregivers also need care.
Yeah.
So this is very, very important.
Absolutely, and 14 other states have paid family leave. So, and Hawaii's always been such a strong supporter of families.
Wow.
So we did a survey, and in that survey of 40-year-old and over voters, overwhelmingly they said absolutely support paid family leave, but they also say, hey, government's not doing enough to take care of family caregivers. So most family caregivers is about 154,000 people who spend time taking care of their loved ones, spend about $7,000 of their own money to take care of someone, whether it's, you know, medicine, equipment, or whatever. And so we think there should be a tax credit, because in fact they're saving us taxpayers a lot of money by taking care of their own family members in their home.
100%.
Now, I know the skyrocketing prices of like home insurance has been in the news cycle. So how are you folks addressing this to your members' concerns?
Thank you for bringing it up. That's our other priority. So affordable housing, absolutely, not just for seniors, but workers. We want to make sure people can afford to stay home. So we want to try to make it so our people don't keep leaving, right? Because we want them here to enjoy, but also to care for their loved ones. But insurance is also making it so difficult. So even if you own a home, which is great, what we're seeing is a lot of folks are having a hard time getting their insurance renewed. They're getting dropped by their insurers, and the price is going up. So we're going to be advocating for bills that are really good in trying to protect homeowners and condo owners. It should at least be transparent. When your policy changes or the price goes up, they should tell you why. But the other thing is, if you're doing things to kind of like make sure your house, you know, you take care of the roof, so, you know, you hurricane pins or whatever you do to improve your home, when you're reducing that risk, your rate for insurance should be reduced too.
I absolutely love that. And I think that we had Senator Jared Kalole on with us, and he shares that concern with his constituents and of course all of Hawaii. So I'm glad you guys are pushing for that, because in some cases insurance has gone up like 1,000%, which is completely unaffordable.
Absolutely.
Now, before you go, Kelly, I know you guys also have a lot of online and in-person events. Can you share some of that with our audience, please?
Thank you for bringing that up. Yes, so in addition to being kind of a fierce defender, we want to be a wise friend, and what that is we want to help you know how to take care of yourself as you age, or how to care for your loved one. Come January 28th, we have an online webinar for brain health. Basically being able to hear from a UH neurologist about what are the exercise and food you can eat and take care of yourself to improve that. The other thing is we'll have in-person events on Oahu, in Maui, and Hilo.
Nice.
But folks can go to our website anytime. We have stuff all the time. Every month we got something happening.
Awesome.
And go to our website, which is aarp.org/Hawaii, or local, sorry. And then you can also, if people are interested in the issues I'm talking about, please also join us in advocacy. And you can email us there at AARP hi.org.
Thank you so much, Kelly.
And are these webinars free?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
The webinars are free, and you don't have to be a member, and you
Awesome.
don't have to be 50 plus. But hey, go for it.
That's great.
That's a good question. Because
That's what
everybody's
I like,
saying, you
though.
know
Is
what
it
I'm saying? That's a lot of people are like, oh, the thing free or what?
It's free. It's free.
Usually we ask in the commercial break, but I'm so glad Tiffany went ask now. We can go register. That's so awesome. Kelly Lopez, AARP Hawaii State Director, thank you so much for everything
Thank
you guys
you.
do. Please come
Appreciate
back,
it.
give
Yeah.
us an update, okay?
Sure.
All right, again, today is National Measure Your Feet Day. So here's our Yuso Akamai question. It has to do with feet. How many sweat glands does each of your feet have? 250, 2,500, 25,000, or 250,000? The answer coming up right after the break, along with You Gotta Hear This.
I don't know.